my toughest opponent, I think there is lots of girls at the moment who are playing really well, and obviously Serena and Sam and Maria, and yeah, it's gonna be, I think, a really interesting one to see who's gonna come on top. My favorite city in the world, it's Melbourne, I must say, and it's not only because I'm here, but I love everything about it. I think it offers everything, and I just enjoy spending time here and competing. Ooh, the best Aussie accent. How about Barbie? I can't do the accent, sorry.
How about g'day, mate?
Good day, mate. Good day, mate.
That's not a bad effort, that's good.
How did you come by your nickname? My nickname is actually Anchi, and it's a nickname for Anna in Serbian. I don't really like it. I prefer to be called Anna. Favorite holiday destination? Oof, I love Noosa. It's such a nice spot, and I love spending time there. The beaches are great, and it's such a relaxing spot. Day tennis or night tennis? I do like playing at night, but also I enjoy playing in a day, especially like in the morning, one of the first matches when you sort of know your time, so you know you can prepare yourself the best possible way. Formal or casual? I prefer casual. It's really nice to just be comfortable in in what you're wearing. Oh, definitely summer. I'm not a big winter person, especially that I don't ski. Batman or Superman? Probably Batman. Automatic or manual? Definitely automatic. I don't even know if I could drive manual anymore. Dogs or cats? Definitely dogs. Black or white? I like black. Apples or oranges? Apples. Oh, thank you.